Good morning, class. Let me hope everybody's okay. But for me, I'm somehow not fine.
You people, you're wearing masks because I have just sneezed that small sneeze. It's not fair. That is usual things. Okay, let's continue.
You know,
but I'm just.
I'm not.
But it's not.
You know, this guy may be suffering from the disease. Have you seen how he has sneezed?